people, and welcome back. Not an amazing job for you to do today, it's just going to be a door change, but it's a lovely property. I'll spin you around and show you what the kitchen looks like at the minute. It's like a really nice property, as you can see. But the job that we're going to do is, the customer's going to be sorting these worktops out himself. We're going to be putting a new ceramic sink in, and we're going to be changing these doors out. So we're going to take these framed off, and this is going to be drawer fronts along the top, doors along the bottom, much similar to the same that we've got now. That's a dishwasher, so no drawer, no doors, highline doors, and then this cupboard here, we're going to be swapping that cupboard out for this cupboard here with an end panel on the side. So like I said, not the biggest job in the world, but it's really going to make a difference into what's going to be a really lovely kitchen. So yeah, I'll bring you along. Cheers. Okay, once we get them all to that stage, with the frames off, the drawers out, drawer fronts off, doors off, we can start putting the new ones on. So I'm going to get the rest of these all out, and yeah, and we can start cracking on. Okay, now we've got everything ripped out on that side. I'm going to turn our attention to getting this cupboard out so we can replace it with a new one. Let's get on with it. Okay, now we've got all them doors on. You notice the gap up here. It's because I couldn't actually get doors the right size for this, so we're going to cut a filler and put a filler around the top of this. Then we'll do plinths, end panels, handles, be all good. So for this section here, as you can see, I can't actually remove the rails, so I've run some of this gear down, focus, to about 4mm, just so I can stick that on, just to give it a look. You know, it's got the cracked paint colour on it. Much better. And there we have it, job complete. I want to thank you for watching along. If you want to see some more of this sort of stuff, just hit that subscribe button, ding the bell. Thanks.